Alright, guys. Now I think we are all good to go. And yeah, oops. Hello everyone. So as I promised, I brought my coffee here so we can start immediately, and after a bit of drinking, and yeah, we are going to have some chill looking at some blue sky tweets about KubeCon, so we can have some discussion. And also I like to go through some work actually, so I'm going to work live, and since I had to do a pretty interesting stuff, so building a platform for a computing school that is going to be held on hosted in Bologna at the beginning of December, the Open Science School for Cloud and Open Science. Okay, sorry about that. It's late in the evening, so I start to lose some some logic. But okay, so I'm going to build this platform. We start with Kubernetes, then we put on top of that all the rest. So yeah, it will take some time. We will take more than one single episode, but we have to start somewhere. So yeah, let me just take another drink, and then we can go and see the plan actually. One more thing. I don't know why music stopped. Yeah, now you should hear the music. If it's too loud, tell me. If it's too low, tell me as well. I don't know yet, so yeah, let me know. And alright, cool. So the quality is pretty good. I think, yeah, we're ready to go. Alright, so let me bring this in and bring up some cool stuff. So SOSC is the name of the school, and the name means International School on Open Science Cloud, and we have almost 35 people that have registered, and we have to consider that as well. So we need to bring some machine and some extra machine to be sure that we do not run out of resources. Based on the past experience, we have kind of 10-ish nodes for a Kubernetes cluster are enough. So you see here all the information, but the most important thing here is that, well, these machines are virtual machines that are on-premise, and in particular, then on top of these machines we need to install a lot of software, and the software is basically a Kubernetes cluster that we will bring up with Rancher RKE2, and then we install the usual stuff, so an ingress controller with Nginx, a sort manager to manage the Let's Encrypt certificates. And then we also have some storage class. We need to include some storage class. So far so good. I think we should, just let me test microphone. Yeah, it's working maybe. Okay, maybe like this is better. Yeah. And I still don't understand, sorry about that. I need to check another stuff. the music still don't play as it should. Come on. Enable shuffle. Sorry. Okay. We should be ready to go. Let's see how it goes. Okay. Okay. And then Jupyter app. So let's start with Key 2. If you don't know what it is, yeah, you can go to Rancher. We can go and look for Rancher RK2. As you can imagine from Rancher, it's a simple way to manage Kubernetes distributions. So you can install on your machine on premise, as I have this machine available for the school, RK2. And if you want to know more and follow up with all these technologies that we are going to touch, I have one news for you that I just want to share because it's so cool and I'm having so much fun. That is Blue Sky. If you don't know yet, Blue Sky is actually where tech people is migrating from Twitter, X, or whatever. And yeah, it's working pretty well. So if you do not have anger management issues and you want to enjoy life and you want to follow up tech stuff, I think you should consider registering Blue Sky and follow up all your favorite people. And one cool thing about, yeah, you see here, Luke, you might have heard of him because we already touched Alex Amal. Yeah, by the way, I saw this demo for CI/CD for Cloud Native Gen AI inference and modeling. So, oh yeah, take a look since we're here. But yeah, the one thing I wanted to say. Oh, didn't follow him on Blue Sky. Welcome, Luke. Okay. And then one thing I wanted to say is that you can post some cool stuff that is called starter packs. So you can collect all your people for a determined topic. Here I have in physics and computing, and then you can go and publish this and share with others, so others can look at this and follow people that they want and they are alike. So yeah, pretty cool. And so again, look at Blue Sky, follow up. We have also feeds that are kind of cool. There is a KubeCon feed that I'm eventually refreshing a lot in these days. And you can find here that, okay, rejects, it's ongoing. And we also, yeah, cool. You can stay updated for everything basically. I love this. I love the whole Twitter, but I like this more. So it's very friendly neighbor. Okay, so yeah. Hello, Luke. You're live. And SegX, YouTube. Pretty cool. Okay, and yeah, take a look at LXML. So, and again, you might see, okay, I don't want this kind of stuff, but I discovered so many tricks, so many information in this way that is very cool, and without any, or at least with lowest level of bots since 10 years, I think. And yeah, really awesome people out there. So I cannot tell you how I'm enjoying this moment. All right. So I was telling you about RK2. So go back to our business, would you? And then we need our machines. And one of our machine that we are going to use is the only one with a public address. That will be our master. So we can take this. Yeah, shall we let this into the KubeCon and we go back to that time to time? Yeah, I think so. Let's see. Then, so I have this master. I want to install my RK master. So yeah, just logging in. I'll need to create some basic stuff, and I think that I should have everything ready in here. Yeah, so one thing that you want to do immediately is to do mcdir -p. Sorry if you are already I've already practiced with this, but maybe people want to see more. And RK2. So I do this, perfect. So, and then I do vmtc rancher RK2. Yes, config.yaml. So eventually we open this and we go straight to TLS sun. So yeah, notice that the only option, this is how you configure your master on RK2, and this master is going also to be accessed from outside. So I need to pass additional address for the certificates, for the Kubernetes certificates to be valid. And oops, so I'm going to add this, and also oops, and also this. Okay, so far so good. Then yeah, let me go this way. And one thing that you want to do is also then installing, of course, Rancher and bootstrap your cluster. So http https get.rk2.io. So much typo, it's quite late, sorry about that. And yeah, let's see. So it's the lawyer. I don't remember. Yeah, maybe yes. If I needed to install Docker beforehand, yes, I think so. Yeah, let's install Docker then. You won't believe how many times I looked for these instructions, but yeah, one more is not a problem. Well, first of all, let's see if it's enough like this. So systemctl enable archy2 server and start. Okay, let this go. Let's see what else is happening. Let's keep going. So yeah. Oh, there is wascom. Cool. Yeah, that would be nice being there. Yeah. Oh, let's see. Yeah. So, come on. Meantime, I think we can go ahead and install also some other stuff. Okay. Did we make it? Okay, it's running. Container installed. Okay, you don't need anything. Yeah, right. So the thing that you need is kubectl. I think I'm going to install brew Linux. Do you mind? So exactly like this. So okay, right. Are you kidding me? I don't think I have a sudo password for this. Do you know? Okay. Never mind. I just wanted to make things easier, but if it's not possible, we go this way. So yeah, we go in this way, install, and here we are. Okay, so kubectl get node. Okay, sudo install kubectl user bin okay, export kubeconfig and is var. Okay, so the kubeconfig once installed, it would be var lib rancher archy2 data. No, server. No, sorry. etc rancher archy. Yeah. export cube config. Okay. Get no. Come on. Sudo chk mod ch check. Okay. Okay. Okay, we have our class, our node. Then we need something else, right? We need to install also the nodes, and let's do it. So we have, let's start from, for sake of my mind, from this one, and I should be able to log on that from the Bastion. Yes. So let me copy from here. What I need to do, right, it's something like this. So okay, and then sudo, and then we need other information. Actually, one information that we need is inside sudo. So it's cat var lib var lib rancher rk2 agent no, server node token. So this is the information that we need. It is going to be put in here. Okay, and then the address here is this one exactly. So let's see how this look in Vim. Oh, it's config.yaml. Vim is var lib rancher. No, etc rancher ak2 config.yaml. Sudo vim etc rancher rk2 config.yaml. Okay, then we exit, and yeah, we run this, but without version so old. So we can go to the last one. And we install. Need to be right, not there. Sorry. So sudo is there. Cool. So let's remove this from the instructions. And all right. Come on, don't stop. Okay. All right. Done. So now we need to start exactly. I mean, I don't know if you noticed this, but how dumb it is to install all this stuff. Literally copy and pasting 4 instructions, and we already have one cluster and one node up and running, hopefully. So let's see, get node. Yeah, not ready yet. Let's see how it goes. All right. Yeah, not ready. So, literally, how many commands are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In 10 commands, we have a control plane, an agent ready to host our platform, right? So the problem is that we have other 10 nodes, other 9 nodes to be installed. So we should be a bit faster. And one way we can do this is, let me check how we can automatize this. So SSH here, then this is a script, right? Yes, so we can take this. Let me see if this can work. I don't think so, but you know, it's worth trying. No, it won't work for sure. Let's see, I'm curious. If it works, it's cool. Otherwise, it's blah. Okay. No, it can't work. No, it can't work. But just because, okay. I thought just because you can do sudo bash, right? No. Missing operand make dear. No, right. Okay, never mind. We can do it in this way. So vim install node.sh and we can get our full bash script in here. Okay, so let's do this in this way. Opla, cool. start chmod +x install node, and then we can do on this node lcp install node sh in where the fuck. Okay. Yeah. In temp is okay. Install node.sh. Alright, and then ssh in here and do sudo temp install node.sh. Alright. Cool. Now that we automatize this for 2, we can go all the way to 10. So in this way, while these other nodes will go, we can take a look at the different next steps. So Nginx ingress, cert manager, open EBS, and so on and so forth. Okay, let's see. Get node. Oh, come on. Become ready, please. Yes. Cool. So now we have 3 nodes. 3 nodes. News from KubeCon. Okay, Wasman.com. Yeah, Wasman. Cool. Yeah, I mean, let me go back to look. So look at this. So you see here, the idea is that exactly like you manage stuff with CI/CD right now for cloud application, managing the GenAI lifecycle in the same way, you might already see a lot of tools that you can recognize. So if you have worked with normal CI/CD, so yeah, take a look. I can put this into oh no, into chat I cannot, but yeah, I will as soon as you can look for LXML on YouTube and yeah, and take a look. So maybe you will join us also later on. So later on this month or the next one. So you are invited. Decide whenever you want to join. We also have different activities. Maybe we have some cool stuff to show. Who knows? All right. Now that we relaxed a bit, also with this music, do you hear? We have 2 nodes. We missed just other 7. So history. Let me take these 2 commands exactly and vim install all nodes.sh and we call bin bash, and we proceed in this way, shall we? So okay. I decided to go with this machine where I have nothing. It's not my Mac, to show you how to do things in let's say in a vanilla way, but I'm starting to regret the decision. Okay, so let's see how this goes. Chmod plus X, move install all node in install all nodes .sh. Okay, this is better. So in theory, now I can say install all nodes with worker 3. Now we're talking. Now we're talking, guys. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So meanwhile, if you have something to say in the chat or you want to say hi in the chat, it's always good. So yeah. Alright, then we have the other node. Yeah, way faster like this, right? I know, I can also automatize all this other stuff, but also the list of the nodes, but it would take so little effort to do, and we are in no hurry actually. Absolutely. Right, the 36, now this is 200. Right. Boom, boom, boom. Oops. Okay, 200 done. 157. Good. Almost there, almost there. Then we store also the rest of the nodes. And we have 10 nodes on a Kubernetes cluster where we are going to store. Next things are Nginx, Cert Manager. I need to decide whether we want to put user data local on the nodes, but I don't really like it because, yeah, I will talk about this later. Then we need an object storage, and we're going to use min.io. Yeah, the operator, because we are going to need a single tenant for every user of the computing school, right? So in this way we can spawn tenant as needed. Then a Jupyter Hub and a Dask operator. Dask, I don't know if you are familiar with this. It's an awesome framework where you can distribute Python computing on multiple nodes, okay? Multiple nodes, processes, or whatever. So you can go in parallel very, very easily without changing the way you're using pandas data frames, for instance. All right, so where are we? 157, 78. Do we want to automatize this as well? Well, let's give it a try. So for in now, don't yell at me, okay? Don't yell at me, because I never ever remember how to do for loops on Bash. I'm sure I'm not alone, but I can understand that I'm a physicist. That's my excuse, okay? I'm not. I have no degree in information technology. Let's put it in this way. No, okay. So I go with trial and error, okay? Bear with me. So yeah, I don't really know, man. For do echo e done. Whew. I cannot believe it that I did it at the first try. Yeah, great guys. That's so cool. Okay, so we are done. Now we have all the 9 nodes. Let's start looking at ingress. Okay, so ingress, I love to use, you can use whatever you want, but since it's my episode, we are going to use what I like most, so the Nginx ingress. So yeah, installation guide using Helm. Nope. Yes, so we are on premise. We have a floating IP available on the master. What I want to do is to run a single daemon set targeting the master, so we can expose on the ports directly the ingress controller. So we're going this way. Actually, yeah. We're going in this way instead. All right. Where are the values? Okay, now all right. This was the command that I was looking for. Sorry, guys. So elm install click. So we need this. We need to install elm. And if you are not aware, Elm is a fundamental step toward having a package system for Kubernetes. I must admit that it's a bit of love and hate relationships as all the good things. So, all right, Elm installed. Now we can and see all the values that we can set. and yeah. Okay, bear with me. There was no network policy. There was an option. Okay. Demon set. No. Okay. Host network. Let's see. Host port. All right. Here, host network true. You know what? I think we are going with this and we are editing afterwards. So keep wait. Oh my god. Don't tell me that I forgot completely about this. Now I remember why I don't remember to have installed Ingress last time. Because if we do kubectl get ingress class, ta-da! Archi2 comes already installed with ingress. That, by the way, so you're telling me that this is already exposed? I don't think so. Yeah? Okay. Forget about everything. Hello, Alberto John. So, just now your message. Okay. So, yeah. Yes, I'm reading chat. Yeah. So, all right. English is the next. So let's go to our list and say Nginx. Right.